A Little Labradoodle Christmas by April M. Cox. Just before Christmas Eve, little Kyrie, so sweet, ventures out with the pups for a walk down the street. They all walk in the rain. Puppies love to get wet. Then they splash in the puddles, the biggest ones yet.
"What was that?" someone shouts. "Can you stop that right now? You must stop all that splashing, or don't you know how?"
A big cat then appears, goopy mud on his face, yelling,
"Stop with that mess, it's a total disgrace." "Oh, hi, Casper. We're sorry for acting that way. We are all so excited about Christmas Day." "What's the deal about Christmas? It's just not for me." "Go away," he meows. "Will you just let me be?"
Looking sad, Kyrie begs,
"Please, we'd like you to stay." But the cat says, "Bah humbug,"
and just walks away. Casper doesn't like Christmas. We saw his big frown.
Can we help turn that sad, muddy frown upside down?
As the pups wonder how they can make Casper smile, Brady says,
"He can come to our house for a while." I say yes. Let's go find him and show him we care. Can we make that grouch happy? Do we even dare?
Oh, but Kyrie is thoughtful. She knows what to do.
If we're kind to old Casper, maybe he'll be kind too.
So they promise him yarn balls and catnip and fish, and they say, "You can come to our home if you wish."
The traditions of Christmas are what we all need. That will make Casper happy,
the Doodles agreed. Casper enters their home, thinking, "What's there to lose? And perhaps I might find a warm place for a snooze."
"I'll bake cookies for Casper. That's easy to do."
But then Casper says,
"Yuck! They taste like an old shoe."
So they try something different, like trimming the tree. And the tangled up mess is a real sight to see.
Silly wires and lights may be fine for this house, but I don't need a tree or this silly toy mouse. I guess Christmas is not really meant for a grump.
Casper moans as the tree hits the floor with a thump.
"We are trying to help you," says Kyrie. "Let's try. We all know you are sad. Will you please tell us why?" "I was left all alone this past Christmas, and then I felt sad when I noticed it's Christmas again." "It's no fun to be lonely or sad," Mandy sighs. "We can be your new family. Now let's dry your eyes." "Oh, please, Nan, can we keep him? He's been all alone. He needs love and a family to give him a home."
There are no frowns that night, only laughter and fun. Christmas songs, food and laughter, and hugs one by one.
"Oh, so this is the point," Casper says. "Now I see that with Christmas comes joy and love, even for me."
Since that cherished first year, Casper's never alone, and he's loved by a family he now calls his own. A Little Labradoodle Christmas by April M. Cox.